Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, I'm going to cover all the questions from 24th August slot days. So it's all about day 21. So we have completed 20 different videos on Accenture. And those 20 videos, we covered previous year questions and topic-wise questions and few mock tests also. If you guys have missed those videos, watch all the videos. Once you go through those, definitely you can able to solve any questions related for your upcoming Accenture examination. So please let me know guys, is it clear both audio and video? Please let me know in the comment section. Is my both video and audio, is it clear? Guys, try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. So without any delay, let's start our session. Yes, here the question from number series. So you find the next number. So here the numbers 31, 26, 23, 18, 15, 10. What can be the next? If you guys are new to our channel, subscribe and don't forget it and press bell icon guys. You never miss any updates from our channel. And all the people are in the live session. Please like our video. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. And all the students, happy Sri Krishna Janmashtami. So definitely, Lord Krishna blessings with you for your upcoming examinations. Now here the question, see, find the next number according to the sequence. So if you find the difference, it's a minus 5. If you go through that, it's a minus of 3. If you see the difference, minus 5. Again, it's a minus 3. Now, if you check the entire sequence, it's an alternative difference. See, minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, minus 3, minus 5, and you have to subtract 3 units to complete that sequence. So here 10 minus 3, here the missing number is 7. 7 is the correct answer. So let's see this question from seating arrangement. Try to answer this question. Now see here, there is a 6 people, Sam, Kathy, Wade, Finch, Dan, Bill, sitting in the row and all are facing north, but not necessary in the same. So we have to place 6 different places, and they clearly mention that all are facing north. So all are facing north means you can confirm that here right side people, here left side people. Now go through that information here. There is a 2 people sitting between Finch and Kathy. So let's take the alphabetical starting letter. So there is a 2 people between F and C. So F is sitting immediate right of S. So F is immediate right of S. Understand that representation. F is immediate right of S. Exactly 3 people sit between Dan and Wade. So D and W, if you observe that, there is exactly 3 people between them. Let's go through the possibility. Why? Because we don't have any direct information in the data. Let us assuming that either D or W can be occupy first position, and there is a 3 people between them. So definitely other person must be in fifth. So here the first possibility, first and fifth positions. Second possibility, so either second position or sixth position. But till now, guys, we are not sure with the exact position of D or W. That's why we choose either. If you fix the positions, totally you will get 4 possibilities. Next one. So we have one person between F and C. We have 2 persons between F and C. 2 people between Finch and Kathy. So 2 people between them means we have only one option, 4 and 6. In this possibility, F for C here, F for C here. Next information guys, they clearly mention that F must be immediate right of S. So here F is not possible. Why? Because fifth is already occupied. So you can confirm C, you can confirm F. If you confirm F here, S you can confirm. Same way here F we cannot confirm. Why? Because you can't arrange the S. That's why take C here, F here. So F is immediate right of S. So there is a one position is left. You can place B here and B here. This is the entire arrangement. Now go through this question. What is Sam's position? So we have to identify that S position with respect to B. S position with respect to B. Guys, we are having two possibilities. In two possibilities, if you get different answers, don't choose exact answer. This cannot be determined. Now see, he is the S is first left, second left. In possibility 2 also first left, second left. So here the answer, Sham position is second to the left of B. So answer is B. Clear guys? Are you clear with this arrangement? We can confirm the Sam positions in both possibilities guys. That's why they have to choose the option. Clear? Yeah. Let's move on to this question. Try to answer this question. Now see, in a certain code language, first F I R S T is coded as J G R U T. Next one, risky R I S K Y is coded as J S S Z L. So this is the code language. According to that information, how dirty will code it as? How you can code it as dirty? According to the question. Try to answer this question. So how dirty is coded in the same code language? Guys, if you observe that all are belongs to the five letter code. See, first, risky or dirty. Again, if you observe the center position, it remains same. They are not changing with any new alphabetical. But they will change the remaining one. If you observe the sequence, I plus 1J, F plus 1G, T U S T, Y Z K L, I J R S. Now, if you want the first letter, you have to take after I. After I, next letter is J. D next letter E. Y next letter Z. T next letter U. So answer J E R Z U. Z U. Guys, K J. We require J E R Z U. Z U is the correct answer. J E R Z U guys. Sorry, this is the wrong one. C is the correct answer. Very good, Nash. Next. Find the missing number. C is the correct answer, Nana. This is the type print mistake. Are you clear with the logic, right? Next. Try to answer this question. So we have 5,690, 5121, 4552, 3983, 3414, 2845. Find the next number. So try to identify that according to the sequence, what can be the next number. Let's find the difference here. So how much of difference? It's like see, 0 minus 1 is 9. So it's a difference of 8, right? 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So it's a difference of 169 units. Let's go through the next difference here. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Again 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Then 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. If you observe that, it's a common difference. Let me verify one more also. Again 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. Then it become a 4. So here 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. See, if you observe the difference between number to number is exactly equal to 560. If you want the final answer, Just subtracted 569 units from 2845. So 15 minus of 9 is 6 units. Now it become a 3, right? We took carry over already. So 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Again we took carry over. So here it is a 7. So total value is equal to 2276. Yes, very good. Sai, Razi, very good. Next, go through this question from coding and decoding concept. Now see, in a certain code language, O is coded with 16. For is coded with 42. How front is coded as. So you have to replace with which number according to the same code language. Now you already know that O alphabetical position is 15, but instead of 15 they given 16. Okay, let's find the logic for 4. So F6, O15, R18. If you go through the sum, you will get 39. So instead of 39 they given 42. What is the logic here? Sum of alphabetical position. Sum of alphabetical position plus number of letters. Sum of alphabetical position plus number of letters is the logic. Now if you go for front, 6 plus 18 plus 15 plus 14 plus 20. Now fix the, see, fix, we already fixed the positions. Let's go through the sum here. 20 plus 20 is 40. 15 plus 18 is 33. Then the total value is 73. But don't choose your option is 73. According to the logic, you have to add total number of letters. In front, we have 5 letters. Then the total sum becomes 78. Total sum becomes 78. Is it clear? So this is the logic. Next. Go through this question from logical deductions. Now see, no rockets are satellites. No rockets are satellites. No satellite is probe. Guys, we have a restriction between only rocket and satellite, restriction between satellite and probe. Here the conclusion says that all probes are rockets. All probes are rockets is invalid conclusion. Remember, if any conclusion related for all comma sum, we need that direct relation in that picture. You can't see any direct relation in those two circles. See, rocket is far from the probe, right? That's why we cannot conclude that all probes are rocket is invalid. So no rocket is a probe. Guys, we have some assumptions. Why? Because we can assume rocket into the probe, we can assume probe into the rocket. So they have a possibilities. Why? Because if any restrictions are not given in the statements, you can assume any relation. Yes, we can assume a relation between rocket and a probe. So we can assume a relation between probe and rocket. But conclusion says that no. That's why this is also invalid. So we can establish that kind of positive relation. Is there any chances for complementary pair? Why? Because in the last session I told you we require similar objects. We require similar objects. They are talking about probes and rocket. Second point, individually you already verified that each one is wrong. By join together, it must be satisfy one of the complementary pair. I told you here the complementary pairs are no comma some comma some not, all comma some. So these are the three different complementary pairs. But if you observe that, so one of the complementary is not at all satisfied, then your option must be neither or. If it satisfies the complementary pairs, then you have to choose either or none. Understand this concept of complementary pairs. Next, try this question. No wares are merchandise and some items are wares. Let's take that where. No where is merchandise. Some items. Some items are wares. Let's go through the conclusion. Some not. I told you many times if any some not, you should verify the all. Let's check with this. All items are merchandise. It is right. All items are not merchandise. Verify is it right or wrong? Yes, all items are not merchandise. Reason behind this, if you take all the items, you will get where according to the statement where should not be replaced with the merchandise. That's why all items are not merchandise is valid. Guys, if all not is correct, definitely some not is also correct. Why? Because we are verifying with 100%. 100% is not possible. Definitely some is also not possible. That's why one is valid. Let's check with the second one. Some merchandiser items. See, you can't see any direct relation among those two circles. That's why if you can't see the relation, it's invalid. Conclusion one follows. Very good, Nanarshita. Guys, this is my Instagram page. Just scan it and follows my channel. This is my channel. You can search Vision to Victory also. You can scan or you can search with a Vision to Victory. You will get my Insta page also. If you have any queries regarding your preparation, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us through Instagram. This is my official page. Next, we'll see this question from again seating arrangement. Now let's see this information. Total, we have a five girls. We have to arrange in a row, all of facing north. We have five people, five positions. So K is sitting right end of the row. One, two, three, four, five. So you already know that all of facing north, right and left. So according to this information, we can confirm that K is sitting at the right end of the row. Two girls are sitting between M and N. Guys, we can confirm the positions. 1 and 4 must be M or N. L is right of P. L is right of P. Okay, L is right of P. So definitely we have to confirm P and L. And means they are connected with L. L is left of M. L is left of M means we can conclude it here N, here N. Why? Because this is left side, right? Let's check with the question. Who is sitting second to the left of K? Second to the left of K. First left, second left is L. Is it clear? Try this question. Find the missing number in the series 2, 3, 6, 15 dash 123. Now guys, if you go through the difference here, it's a difference of 1 unit, difference of 3 units, difference of 9 units. What can be the next difference? What is the logic you understand from this difference? So can we take this is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 square. This is my assumption. Whether it is satisfied or not, you should verify. 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 power 4 is 81. Verify. 15 plus 27 is exactly equal to 42. And you know that 42 plus 81 is 123. Yes, this logic is perfectly suits this question. That's why missing number is 42. 42 is the missing number. Find the missing number in the series again. One more question. 1, 3, 9, 33, 153. Find the next one. Again, see, find the difference. If you find the difference here, 2, it's a difference of 6 units. It's a difference of 24, and it's a difference of 120. Let's go through the sequence here. Into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. So 120 into 6 is equal to 720. And those 720 which is added to 153, then answer become 873 is the correct answer. Again, question from coding and decoding. In a certain code language, TOE, BOE, JOE, and OE means the rain falls gently. Another represented with the 5 different words, it means the dew gentle falls overnight. Now you have to identify that what is a code language for rain. Simple point is, if words are repeated, definitely code language is also repeated. If you observe that here, rains. Yes, we can see that statement. If you check with other statements, see dew gently falls overnight. You can't see that rain in the other statement. If word is not repeated, definitely code language is also not repeated. Let me verify with the remaining case. See, here the repetition. So repetition. If you observe that the is repeated. If the is repeated, then the suit one more anything is repeated. Gently is repeated. False is repeated. If you observe the 3 repetitions, what are those 3 repetitions? TOE. TOE is not there. Okay. BOE. BOE yes repeated. JOE. JOE is repeated. NOE. NOE repeated. We can see we are not sure with the code language of the false gently, but we can conclude that code language for rains is TOE. So you can fix the answer, guys. A is the suitable answer. Remember, simple point. If words are repeated, code language is repeated. If words are not repeated, code language is not repeated. Next. Find the logic here. Guys, see. If you see all the letters in the given word is repeated, logic must be jumbled. Verify in jumble. If the letters are not repeated, verify in terms of series. 2 methods. Series method, jumbled method. So you have to learn these kind of things. Otherwise, you have to apply the alphabetical positions. Then you have to identify that where it suits the code one. It's a time waste. Simple point. Two kind of informations you should observe in this question. In the given word, letters are repeated in a different positions. Definitely, it follows jumble order. If the letters are not repeated, definitely it is increasing order, like a +1, +2, +3. Now, can anyone tell me the logic here? How software is coded as A, E, F, O, R, S, T, W? And will be coded with the 5 different letters, then how vertex is coded as? I need logic for this question. I will check your comments, guys. Now, the important logic. So this means this model repeated almost 3 times in Accenture. Same logic, not question. Logic. Anyone? See, this is all about arrange all these letters in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. That is the logic, guys. Let's check with the vertex V O R T E X. Then first letter must be E. According to the alphabeticals, next letter must be O. Then R. Then T. Then X. So answer E O or T. But V also T O E O or T V X is the correct answer. Alphabetical positions. Letters are jumbled, but how it is jumbled is a logic, Nana Razi. It's in a alphabetical order. Next. Now, guys, this is for you. Just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. It's a simple difference. Try after this session and post your answer in the comment section. If you want this PDF, you can download from my Telegram channel. Search V2VVK. You can get this channel, listen to Victory content and upload updates, join here, then you can download the material for future references. After this session, I will update this PDF in my Telegram guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach through either Telegram or Instagram. Next, find the next question. 43, 37, 32, 26, 21, 15. Find the next number. Now see if again you go through the difference here. Difference between those two numbers 6. Again it's a minus 5. Minus of 6. Minus 5. Minus 6. Minus 5. Same logic here. Answer is 10. Very good. Next one. Let's find the logic here. Very good, Nana. Priyanshu, Lakshmi, Razi. Good. Try to answer this question. In a certain code language, life is coded as 32, rain is coded as 42. How peace is coded in the same language? Life. Verify the logic here. 12th letter, 9th letter, 6th letter, 5th letter. Go through the sum. 12 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. Yes, you will get the logic here. Sum of alphabetical position. Sum of alphabetical position. Now peace. 16, 5, 1, 3, 5. Let's find the sum value. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 16 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 20. So then the total value is equal to 30. 30 is the correct answer. Very good. Nana. Next. Now which data is sufficient for this question? We need 30. Very good. Guys, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe our channel also. I need your support. So definitely I will come up with more videos for your upcoming examinations. So do like our videos and share these with your friends or WhatsApp groups. So kindly support our channel. So which data is sufficient? Now question, there is a 5 girls which are sitting in equidistance from each other around the circular table. They are facing center. Facing center means see, this is all about right side and the left side. Now which of the 2 girls are sitting adjacent to Q? Out of all the 5 people, if you exclude Q, L, M, and P, definitely 2 persons should adjacent to the Q. So who are those 2 people? So we have to identify that. Okay, let's find this one from statement number 1. P is sitting immediate left of N. P is immediate left of N. Immediate left. So there is no other person between P and N. So P sits immediate left of N. N and means again they are talking about P. P is second right of Q. First right, second right of Q. So we have one more position. So from statement number 1, can I conclude that who is adjacent means who is adjacent to Q? Can I conclude? Can I conclude it with statement number 1? Yes, we can conclude, guys. So we can conclude it with the help of statement 1 itself. Why? Because see, there is a two persons left after this arrangement, L and M. So L and M. So we can conclude it with the statement number 1. Let's take that statement. Statement number 2 is alone. N is sitting between P and Q. N is sitting between P and Q. P and Q. So N is sitting between P and Q. If you go through this information, N is sitting between P and Q. So N is sitting between P and Q. So statement 2 is sufficient. Yes, statement 2 is also sufficient, right? Why? Because N is between P and Q. So definitely we have to take these two people. So okay. So statement 2 is not sufficient. Why? Because still we can find the other person, but we are not sure with the remaining two. So exact person we are not sure. That's why 2 is not at all sufficient. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. 2 is not at all answer this question. So A is the correct answer. Next, understand this question. Priyanshu, for the reasoning part, focus on number series. Go through that. Number series. Second one is coding and decoding. So you can get the questions from seating arrangement. It's a very basic one. Second one, we already covered a few questions from the flowcharts. Go through those videos, you understand the approach for flowcharts. Next, directions. One question from directions, one question from blood relations. And Xerox Paka two questions. Number series, you can expect 3 to 4 questions. Coding and decoding, you can expect more than 3 questions. These are the major concepts now. I think so. You already followed our videos for last couple of days. That is enough. If you are go through that videos or if you go through that PDF once again, that content is more than enough, guys. You have to focus on verbal part and coding part. See, do one thing. So tomorrow you have exam, right? So my suggestion: go through the reasoning content for last 10 days. Just go through the PDFs. Don't go through the videos. So we have that we I already provided the content in my our Telegram channel. Go take that content and go through the questions. Don't solve it. Just look into this question. Okay, you can answer. You can answer it. You can list it out. For verbal part, you have to go through that for coding and remaining one. Please look into that ones. I think so. I observed from the last live sessions, you are done fantastic, especially for the reasoning part. Maybe you can easily clear your reasoning part now. You have to focus the remaining part. Why? Because I don't know how you are perform on that. So reasoning side, I think so you will get good score. Focus on the remaining part. Now see here, understand this flowchart. If Alex scored 20 points in the entrance examination, 40 points in graduation, 60 points in post graduation, 60. Then the students will be selected, rejected, or selected without stipend. So we have three options. Let's start this information. So they said that entrance, graduate score, and postgraduate. Then total points P is equal to E value 20 plus. You know that 0.25 is equal to 1/4 of the score. 1/4 of graduation. 1/4 of graduation score is exactly equal to 40. Let's go through the P value. Then P value is equal to 30. Then you have to move in this way. Is P is greater than 25? Yes. Then you have to go towards left side. Now go through this. Next one. Again we have that condition. 0.40 means 40 by 100. Let's take it this way. Post graduation. What is PZ value? 60. Go through the simplification. You will get 24. If 24 is greater than 30, no. 24 is not greater than 30. So definitely it is a no. Is it clear? See, 0.40 into PG score is 60. So 0.40 into 60, that is exactly equal to 24. 24 is greater than 30? No. That's why you have to move in this way. So you have to move in this way. After the final step, you should understand that select without stipend is the correct answer. So the person did not get any kind of stipend. Then you have to choose your answer is B. See, flowchart is the easiest question, guys, but you should understand and you have to go through that one information properly. If you go through that properly, definitely you can able to solve this kind of questions. Clear? So 50% is you have to score at least 50%. That's a safe. I'm not sure, but you have to score at least more than 50%. Most of the campus recruitment drives, once you have completed written test, 80 to 85 percentage your selection is completed. Most of the students they are eliminated in round one. That's why not for the Accenture, for the future placements also, you should focus more on aptitude, reasoning, and coding part and verbal also. Maximum selection, what I observe in my experience, once you clear written, maximum use selection is 80% is completed. Remaining is depends on how you are communicating that information in the interview. That's why you should more concentrated on written part in further placements especially. So answer this question. If the code corner is GSVRIP, then what will be the code for central? CORNER GSVRIP. Find the logic. Third, 15, 18, 14, 5, 18. Can anyone tell me that what is the logic? Chandini, Lakshmi. Type your logic in the comment section. Once. Logic, please. See, this is all about plus 4. Yes. Again, it's a again plus 4. Again plus 4. Again plus 4. It's a plus 4 and plus 4. That's it. If you go through the question for central, C is third letter plus fourth letter is equal to G. Eliminate A. E is fifth letter plus fourth letter is equal to ninth letter I. So I eliminate C. GIR, X is same, V is same. Just go through that last letters, then you will get that answer. L plus 4, 16th letter must be P, then suitable answer is P. Yes. Hope you enjoy the video. Guys, go through this content once again. I will update this information in my Telegram channel. Download it once and go through it. So all the best for Priyanshu. So write well. So definitely you can clear your Accenture examination. So my blessings always with you. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach through either Telegram or Instagram. That's it. Thank you so much for the live. Until the next session, have a nice day.